Nasubukan mo na bang mag-chat or text sa partner mo or girlfriend, asawa mo ng mga, a sexy text to spice up your relationship? For example, LDR kayo, tapos, ginagawa niyo yun. But, aksidente mo siyang na-chat sa mga kamag-anak mo. That is a conversation fail. And today, magbabasa tayo ng mga conversation fail. Now, this is from the subreddit May Nagchat. It's gonna be fun, man. Like this one. Date to marry ka or marry to date? Merry Christmas. Diba? Ganon kasaya, man. Pang Christmas yung Merry. Itong mga babasahin natin today. Turn off sa'yo, man. Hey, you busy? Hey, beautiful. Sorry, not on here too much. Just woke up. Just woke up, oh. Just woke up, oh. I don't know, every time na narinig ko yung pang chat na, hey, beautiful, I feel like ganun yung pagkakasabi. Hey, beautiful. Hey, beautiful. Parang ganun yung pagkakasabi. And, what do you mean just woke up? Just woke up, oh? Just woke up, oh? Thought you already ghosted me. No, I'm just not here too much. And I'm not the best texter either. Sorry. Still want to impregnate you.
You need to leave!
I mean, nagsimula siya ng sobrang wholesome doon, no? Like just a normal hi, hello na conversation. Grabe yung liko, no? Biglang liko ng conversation nila. What the hell? Wow. Not the best texter, pero kapag iyot, best replier. Best replier. Isang oras pa lang magkausap, daddy ka na. Kaloka amp. Kaloka amp. Kaloka amp. How's work for you? Send daddy a selfie. Oh, I'm sorry. I got secondhand cringe. Done, no? Send daddy a selfie? Send daddy a selfie. gusto mo maging anak yung I don't know kung ang game plan ba dito is ma-in love yung babae sa'yo o gusto mo siya maging anak. I actually don't understand kagustuhan ng karamihan na tawagan silang daddy or mommy ng ng mga significant other nila. I mean, depende sa context eh. But yung pag sexy, I don't know if sexy time. Tapos yung mga, send that daddy a selfie. Officially start in 2 hours. I just start with my task early so I can have buffer time later. Hahaha. What are you on? On emails, huh? I'm sorry. Okay, wait. Aside from send the daddy a selfie, are you saying that since nasa trabaho siya, sa email na lang isend yung selfie? Like work email, no? While working, sending selfie in work email. Ganun ba? Ganun ba? Ganun di na mga mapipigilan talaga? Like send on email, dude. While working. Okay. What about you? Nah. Why do you call yourself a daddy? It's a flirty. I don't know. Don't do it again. don't. Please. It's not. Yeah, hindi siya nakakaano. I don't know. It's flirty. It's cringe. It's cringy. It's not flirty. No, it's cringy. It's not flirty. Weird talaga ng mga nagpapatawag ng zaddy. Zaddy? Hahaha. Very PDF vibes. Yeah, true. No? Yun yung pinaka doon. Parang ang cringy and at the same time, ang creepy. No? Kasi parang ipagka-pedo. Yung dating PDF file. Yung dating mo, like, call me zaddy. You call me zaddy. Kasi diba, daddy, what are you? My son? My daughter? What are we doing? Spell it out. Naisip yun na po ba number ni Mr. Clean po? Sir, hindi po. May messenger po ba kayo or Viber? nasend ko na po sa text 2 beses po. 09203. Okay. I mean, I don't know if this is fails, man. This is not a conversation fail. This is a super effort convo. No, it's not a fail. No, kasi nagawa niya eh. Kasi pag fail, like something wrong is happening, no? But dito parang nagawa pa rin niya eh. Pero sobrang effort nga lang kasi imbis na ilagay niya yung mismong number, like in-spell niya, no? 0920, like, you know, naka-spell out talaga kada, no? I mean, I don't see it as fail. It still works, no? Medyo, effort nga lang gawin, pero it still works, man. Pag nagkamali ka pa, ewan ko na lang, yeah. Yeah. I mean, di ba? Very specific. Like, binibigay niya sa'yo yung spelling, so pag nagkamali ka, ikaw na may kasalanan, right? Hindi ka na, mamaya kasi pag number doon magkakatabi, parang, hindi ko nabasa yung kasi ang daming number. At least dyan, nakaspelling na. Pag nagkamali ka pa sa pagkuha ng number, ikaw na may kasalanan. Saw my BF's DM on Reddit. And he says this is for a game he's playing. Normal ba to give these details sa kalaro? Hi, saan ka sa Rizal? I am male, 30, 5'8", working, chubby, 8 kilograms, from Antipolo, has a car. Hi, I'm from Antipolo too. Yeah, I mean, it's very clear. It's safe to say now na sa laro nga to, no? Pero ang nilalaro dito sa larong to, ikaw. Sila yung player, ikaw ang laro. Yes, lalo na kung yung puso mo yung pinaglalaroan. Man. He did my joke, no? Same lang. Same context. So, magkaiba lang ang pala niya, pero same joke. Bad trip. Nope. Anong kinalaman ng chubby 80 kilograms? Sabihin mo, wag kami, lol. If it's a game, ano kinalaman ng I'm chubby 80 kilogram now. Like, you're playing games. You're playing games. Are you playing Squid Game? Huh? Squid Game? Baka Squid Game yung laro. Di ba? Inatanong nila yung, kasi syempre, pag ikaw naglalaro ka ng, for example, pairing yung laro sa Squid Game, tapos magkahanap ka ng kakampi. Gusto mo syempre fit yung kakampi mo para mas makakagalaw. No? But maybe that's the reason why, no? Maybe sasali sila ng Squid Game. Baka tayo talaga yung mali dito, no? Yeah, I mean, it's safe to say, no? Na parang ayon sa laro. Huwag ka mag-alala. Para sa laro. Diba? Basta alam mo na ikaw yung laro. He confessed when he was 15 and now he's 18. I was planning to delete or abandon this Reddit account, pero damn, need ko i-share to. Hahaha. So, for context, when I was 18, he was 15. He confessed, but I laughed it off because he's too young for me and told him, you're too young for things like that. Tsaka better yourself muna. Sinabi kong better himself kasi he once known as napakapasaway na bata. I see. Totoo, no? Parang, ang weird lang, like, 18, like, around that age, if for example, the other person is 18 and the other one is 15, parang sobrang layo, no? Parang 18 is parang you are close to, like, legal age. And 15 is parang napakabata pa, no? But if we put it in a context na put it in a situation, I mean, na let's say the guy is 25 and the girl is 28, parang doesn't matter, no? Okay, what's wrong with that? Right? Parang same age, I don't know. Na ang weird lang, maybe because during that time pag 15 ka mukha ka talagang bata, or maybe because we're talking about legal age. But yeah. Then, a few months after that, kinakailangan nilang mag-move out dahil sa work ng parents niya. He's one of the first people who added my newly made Facebook account. That time, he never messaged me. Pero constantly kong nakikita mga updates about him through his posts and my days. Alam kong pambato siya ng school nila sa chess, archery, math, quiz B, man. This guy just had an arc. Nakita ko rin na he's into art, both traditional and digital. Man, baking, drums, and many more. You are Mr. Talent Guy. Basta dami niyang ganap. Hahaha. Then nakapag-usap lang kami whenever nagkakasalubong or may event, pero more on small talks lang. At pinalimutan ko na yung sinabi niyang yon when we were younger para walang awkwardness. Anyway, today is his birthday. Nakita ko sa story ng ate niya na nakakauwi lang nila from birthday trip abroad. Wow, okay. And goddamn, the first thing he did was message me to say na 18 na siya. Hi, 18 na ako. I've been waiting for this day to take my shot again. So please, give me a chance. Everything I did to better myself is for you. Man, ito yung tinatawag mong protagonist, man. Ito yung kwento ng, oh man. I mean, you have to respect that. That is not a fail. Man, that is not a conversation fail. I'm sorry, but na-add to dito. This should be a conversation success. A conversation victory. No? Man, respect to you, my G. Wow. You know, like, nga, no? Sinabi niya doon sa ano na parang bata pa nga and medyo pasawa yung bata. So, parang sinabihan niya na, you know, ano yung muna yung sarili mo. And then he did. Di ba? Ang dami niya sinalihan na nag-upgrade siya or nag-excel siya sa lahat ng mga bagay na sinasalihan niya. And then now he's 18. Man, I got to respect bro's perseverance, man. Yeah. Totoo, man. Yung tinatawag mo na nag-lock in talaga, man. Nag-lock in para sa goal. I mean, we have to know what happened. Like, ano ba? Pumayag ka ba? Ano ba nangyari? We gotta end the video there. At least we end the video with, you know, a bit wholesome screenshot of a conversation. Well, sobrang hype pa rin ako para sa kanya, no? Ang lupit eh. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed that. Comment down below if you guys want us to make a part 2 of this, make this a series to our channel. But that's it from today. See you on the next vid. You guys stay awesome. Peace.